Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Atif Sajid and I serve as the head of the Education Committee at Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. One of the greatest responsibilities and challenges we have as parents is to ensure our children are raised with a sound, authentic understanding of Islam that is not only rooted in and guided by the Quran and Sunnah, but also relevant to their daily lives. But let's be honest, while living in a pluralistic society like ours, it is not an easy task. Our children face questions, confusion, and pressures we never imagined when we were growing up. From the platform of Al-Mawrid and Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, we launched our first education program, Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning Sunday School, 9 years ago to begin answering that need. And Alhamdulillah, it has been a great success. GCIL Sunday School, as you know, is a 9-level online program that offers authentic Islamic learning through online classes held every Saturday and Sunday to students between the ages of 8 and 20. However, we heard from many parents that their children need more focus and cannot learn in a big online classroom setting. Some even told us that their children do not feel comfortable asking questions in a big classroom environment. That's why we're introducing 2 new programs from the Sunday School platform, which are different from our regular Sunday School program. The first one is called Group Study Circle, also known as Sohbah. This program is tailored towards families who want their children to learn Islam with their close friends. Through this program, you can form a study circle and learn Islam together by following a more customized and structured curriculum designed and taught by one of the teachers of GCIL. Keep in mind, this is a very unique program. The second one is the private tuition program. This program offers one-to-one Islamic learning at your child's pace, meeting your family's schedule and needs. So at GCIL, now we have 3 pathways to help you as a parent. Number 1, our Sunday School offers a structured weekend program for consistent Islamic learning. Number 2, Group Study Circle, a Sohbah, that will create a guided learning space within your child's circle of friends. And number 3, Private Tuition Program that will provide one-to-one personalized instructions tailored to your family's needs. No matter your child's learning style, GCIL supports you in nurturing a deep, authentic, and living connection to Islam. You can get more information about these programs through our website, ghamidi.org, or by sending an email to the address shown on the program's flyers. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.